Hello friends, today we're going to be unboxing an electric scissors. So it comes in this very portable and durable box. To open it up, just pull up the lock. Voila! Oh, this is beautiful. So it comes with an instruction manual. You have all the general safety rules there, and it also says that failure to use this machine according to the instructions may result in electric shock, fire, or other serious injury. So please, when using it, be very conscious. Okay, all right. Keep away from children. Do not operate electric tools in flammable environments. Keep the workplace clean and bright, and do not abuse the usage of the scissors as well. All right, thank you. And on the other part, we have further instructions on how to clean and maintain the electric scissors. And here it says wipe the machine and knife head with a dry soft cloth. Remove the knife head once a week and grease to the moving parts of the machine. And if damaged, please recycle and treat in an environmentally friendly manner. Please ensure that the batteries should not be discarded directly in general household garbage. Okay. It also comes with a charger. It's a Type-C charger. Yeah. 2 pairs of scissors. These are the scissors. 2 pairs of the electric scissors, and that's what it looks like. 2 pairs of electric scissors. That's how to put on the lock. And this is the handle. Now the handle of the electric scissors has a lock button on top. This is a lock button. This is a decorative switch over here, and then we have the charging indicator light here. 1, 2, 3. Whenever it's charging, that's the charging indicator light. Please ensure you do not use this electric scissors when it's charging. Okay, charging port is here. What we have here is the charging cord, and this is where you charge those electric scissors. Okay, so let's fix the electric scissors. So the first thing you would have to do is to push back this lock using your finger. Push it back, then pick up your electric scissors. Ensure it is facing upwards, this way, facing upwards to you. You slide it down gently and release the lock into place. That's it. Okay, so that's how to fix your electric scissors. And to use it, you would press onto this handle here. Let's see what it does. That's it. That's it. So let's give it a trial. Let's cut something. Okay, so let's see how well the electric scissors can cut this pair of jeans. Let's go. Remember, this is the handle for cutting. So once you press it again, it activates the scissors. So let's try cutting this layer. This is 2 layers of, please be mindful of your finger. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, so let's cut the second part. Okay, so to take out your electric scissors, simply pick it up and push back this lock to disengage the scissors. So I've done that. Okay, that's it. And then you can store it safely. please ensure you read the manual, the instruction manual, before operating this electric scissors.